Hey everyone! Welcome back to your channel name. Let's dive into today's amazing kitchen gadget. Bring your baking dreams to life with the Bakken 18-piece kitchen baking pan set. Crafted from commercial-grade carbon steel, it delivers even heat for perfect results every time. No warping, no sticking. The non-stick green marble coating makes cleanup effortless, while the silicone handles offer a secure, slip-resistant grip for safe handling. Oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and completely PFOA, PFOS, and PTFE free, it's built for healthy, worry-free baking. Stylish, durable, and space-saving, the Bakken Bakeware set is the all-in-one kitchen essential every home baker needs. Meet the Ilazon Smart Kitchen Scale, where precision meets technology. This high-precision digital scale connects via Bluetooth to its companion app, unlocking an 8,000-plus food database and tracking 24 key nutrients, calories, protein, carbs, and more. With ultra-accurate measurements from 5G to 8000G, a sleek touchscreen display, and instant tare function, it's perfect for baking, cooking, or meal prepping. Crafted with tempered glass, an anti-slip base, and a modern red finish, it's built for both style and durability. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or home chef, the Ilazon Smart Scale makes every meal smarter, healthier, and perfectly measured. Meet the Vitamix Ascent Series X5 blender, the ultimate powerhouse for your kitchen. With 10 automatic blending programs, you can make smoothies, soups, frozen desserts, nut butters, and more, all with one touch. The premium stainless steel blades crush through the toughest ingredients for silky, professional-grade results every time. Featuring a self-cleaning program, it cleans itself in just 60 seconds, no scrubbing required. The intuitive touchscreen and digital timer take the guesswork out of blending, while the tamper indicator ensures perfect texture every time. And with self-detect technology, it automatically adjusts for different containers and attachments, making blending smarter than ever. Powerful, sleek, and effortless, the Vitamix X5 brings cafe-level performance straight to your countertop. Bring fun and flavor to your next gathering with the Nostalgia 6-cup electric fondue pot set. Perfect for melting cheese, chocolate, or creating savory dips, it's your go-to for parties, date nights, or family fun. The all-inclusive set includes 6 color-coded forks, a support ring, and a 1.5-quart stainless steel pot, everything you need for a flawless fondue night. Easily control the heat with the BlueLit temperature dial, and move it safely using the Cool Touch handles. Durable, stylish, and easy to clean, this fondue pot brings classic charm and modern convenience right to your table. Make every meal a celebration with nostalgia, where timeless design meets delicious fun. Meet the Rudap 12-in-1 Vacuum Sealer, the ultimate kitchen multitasker. With 90 kilopascals powerful suction, it keeps your food fresh up to 5x longer, locking in flavor and cutting down waste. Built-in digital kitchen scale lets you measure and seal with precision, perfect for meal prep, baking, and healthy living. Featuring dry and moist modes, one-touch operation, and a sleek, easy-to-clean design, this compact food saver does it all. Seal smart, seal fresh, with Rudap. Tired of dull kitchen knives? Meet the Vidome Diamond Electric Knife Sharpener, your ultimate blade restoring solution. With 100% diamond abrasives and a dual sharpening system, it quickly sharpens and polishes both stainless steel and ceramic knives to a razor-sharp edge in seconds. The crude slot revives dull blades, while the fine slot gives a smooth, burr-free polish, perfect for straight, serrated, and ceramic knives. Powered by a German-engineered DC motor with anti-slip pads and a stable design, it's safe, quiet, and efficient. Stylish in bright green and gold, the Vidome knife sharpener is not just powerful, it's the perfect kitchen upgrade and gift for any chef. Meet the HiCozy Compact Vacuum Sealer, the palm-sized food saver that keeps your meals fresh up to 5x longer. With one-press sealing, a visible water tank, and powerful suction, it's perfect for everything from juicy steaks to dry snacks. Includes 30 BPA-free, reusable bags, and lasts up to 100 vacuums per charge. Compact, portable, and easy to clean, keep your food fresh the smart way with HiCozy. Get ready to dip, swirl, and savor with the Nostalgia Electric Fondue Party Set. Perfect for chocolate, cheese, or dessert fondues, this 10-ounce fondue pot brings fun and flavor to every occasion, from cozy date nights to lively parties. With 4 fondue forks, a 3-section serving tray, and an easy temperature control dial, melting and dipping has never been simpler. Its non-stick interior makes cleanup a breeze, and the sleek retro-inspired design adds charm to any table. Turn any moment into a delicious celebration with nostalgia, where sweet memories meet modern convenience. Meet the MegaWise Model B 2025 Vacuum Sealer, your all-in-one food-saving powerhouse. With 80 kilopascals of powerful suction and airtight sealing in just 10 seconds, your food stays fresh up to 5x longer, no waste, no hassle. Choose between dry and moist modes for perfect results every time, and create custom bag sizes with the built-in sliding cutter. Compact, fast, and easy to use, the MegaWise Omni machine makes smart sealing effortless. Meet the MegaWise 202309 updated Model B, the smarter, faster way to keep your food fresh. Dashing away cut of meat. With 80 kilopascals of powerful suction and one-touch operation, seal your food perfectly in just 10 to 20 seconds, keeping it fresh up to 5x longer. Choose from dry or moist modes, use the built-in cutter for custom bags, and even seal multiple bags at once with the wide 12-inch wire. Compact, efficient, and built to last, the MegaWise Vacuum Sealer makes freshness effortless. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing finds.